What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off-Grid. Welcome back to the shop. Today we are bringing you another F-450 Black Edition. This truck turned out extremely unique. We did a full color respray from the Darkened Bronze Metallic to a discontinued Ford color. Stone gray gives it a nice, beautiful gold finish. We have our 8-foot Smartcap topper with our proprietary extension piece, color matched to match the rest of the truck. Truck also comes equipped with our underbody lighting package, onboard air package, integrated radar laser detector, and a lot more options. Gonna be a little bit of a quick video this time, no delivery as we had this truck transported, but let's get into the build process and checking out the truck completed. All right guys, Black Edition F-450, the highest level of refinement with ultimate capability and functionality in a pickup truck. If you would like to learn more or discuss a reservation for a Black Edition F-450 or 550, send an email to sales@elevationoffgrid.com. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications every time we upload a new video, and we will catch you guys on the next one.